like to hand over the mic to Dr. Suresh Kumar Agarwal to facilitate a session of panelists to discuss some points, important points on the prevention management of COVID-19 in Ayurvedic homeopathy and Unani way. To Dr. Suresh Kumar Agarwal.
At the very beginning, I would like to thank all the esteemed speakers, Dr. S. M. Hussain, Dr. Mujibur Rahman, Dr. Pawan Sharma, and Dr. A.K. Gupta, for their very practical suggestions for the prevention and management of COVID-19 by their own systems of medicine, may it be homeopathy, Ayurveda, or Unani. I would now like to request Dr. A.K. Gupta to chair a session of panelists where we would like to have suggestions from all the panelists. Then these suggestions will be sent to the Ministry of Ayush on behalf of the Pragyan International University. To begin with, I would like to suggest a few points. The first of all is, instead of social distancing, we should use the word physical distancing, since social distancing and physical distancing, these two things are two different things. In reality, we are physically distant, but socially we are connected, emotionally we are connected. So the word social distancing should be replaced by physical distancing. The second suggestion I would like to make is, instead of Atmanirbhar, we should say Paraspar Nirbhar. When we say Paraspar Nirbhar, we should integrate the cooperation of all systems of medicines, all people for the management and prevention of COVID-19. Similarly, in the field of alternative medicines, I would like to request Dr. A.K. Gupta, Dr. Pawan Sharma, Dr. Mujibur Rahman, and Dr. Asad Hussain to make a few suggestions which we would like to send to the Ministry of Ayush for their consideration on behalf of Pragyan International University, Ranchi. Thank you once again, all the speakers. Thank you, all the participants, for your wonderful presence during the seminar. One more announcement before you leave. Please fill up this feedback form so that immediately, within half an hour, all the participants will receive their e-certificate on their email. Thank you so much. And now I would like to hand over the presentation to Dr. A.K. Gupta. Dr. A.K. Gupta, please.
Thank you, Dr. Agarwal. And
Yes,
Dr. Agarwal, it was a real good opportunity and privilege for all of us to speak about our own system and especially the role of Ayush system of medicine in the prevention and management of COVID. And as we have already had the session with, after me, Dr. Pawan Sharma had spoken, Dr. Mujibur Rahman and Dr. S.M. Hussain, we had been enlightened with this, various systems like homeopathy, Ayurveda, and Unani. As such, when we say that this, Ayush was formed, it was believed that since all these systems of medicine, they are properly recognized systems on their own and need to have their own identity. That was the point when it was separated from the main Ministry of Health and formed a separate branch. But unfortunately, what we are seeing today, though there is a creation of Ayush, but it is not getting its due as it should have been. This is what my personal feeling. This is, I'm sure that other people, doctors are also feeling from the other streams, because things are not happening as it should have been. I really appreciate the point Dr. Agarwal has said, that instead of social distancing, we should call it a physical distancing. It is very true, because social distancing gives a meaning that you are cutting off socially, which is not. But what we need to maintain the physical distance. And Atmanirbharta also to Paraspar Nirbharta is also a very, a good suggestion. What I want to put forward a point is that every now and then we come across some skeptical remarks, or this thing coming out for the Ayush system, that they are non-scientific, or they are pseudo-scientific, or they are quacks, they are quackery. So this is the point where we need to raise ourselves to that particular extent, where we can say that our achievements in our own systems, they need to be showcased with proper authenticated data and evidence proof, medicine should be there. Now, if we have to make certain this thing, like either they have a separate directorate of each system of medicine, though we do have a council, but unfortunately, in this particular COVID time, which was the most important time where Ayush system should have been used to the best of its ability and for the betterment of the humanity. Unfortunately, it has not happened, and we have missed a very golden chance of proving ourselves as well as saving people from this thing, because there have been some mismanagement, there have been some misunderstanding, or there have been certain what you call bureaucracy, those who do not know something about the other system of medicine, they just talk about the modern medicine. If the authorities, system, people sitting there, they do not take into consideration, or they do not like to have the awareness because of their own, high-headedness, their ignorance, or whatever we call it, even the prejudice. So we have to make a collective effort that we can put forward to the government of India, that we need to be given a proper chance to showcase our efficacy in COVID-19 patient treating these patients also. Though we are doing separately, we are doing individually, we are doing, but it is not coming forth in masses. Whereas people are losing lives because they have not been able to get the right kind of a treatment. And today is the integration is the main thing. As we said in the beginning also, that all systems are, effective, they have efficacy, but they have limitation. But if we integrate the best of each system for the betterment of the society, I think this is what we should really, go about. And I would like, to request Dr. S.K. Agarwal that we can make certain kind of resolutions or some kind of things which can be given through the Pragyan International University to the Ayush Ministry, as well to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Government of India. I would like to have your suggestions. As I remember Dr. Pawan Sharma had said very nicely about the telemedicine. Like, if we have that, a platform where anybody who needs help, there is a collective effort. There is one number, like a helpline number of Ayush is being given to the people, and people are there is an access. It would be very good, easy, thing to put forward. Similarly, having in particular areas, in different areas, if you have got nodal places, like in certain areas where this community needs treatment from Unani or from Ayurveda, from homeopathy, so we should be able to have the directory from each other where we can pass it on. So this kind of some centralized controlling thing should be there, because there are things which we want, but we are not able to do it. So if we really work on this line, I think when we have our mentor, Dr. Agarwal, who has got the capability and who has got all the facilities to go forward, I think we should put it at this particular point, and that too on Doctor's Day, we can make a good beginning. What do you say, Dr. Pawan and Dr. S.M. Hussain and Dr. Mujibur Rahman? Yes, Dr. Pawan, please.
Yes, you have told rightly, sir. We should start a platform for telemedicine, number one.
Yes.
We can make a group who
Yeah.
can spread awareness from our system of medicine to learned Lions clubs and Rotary clubs.
True.
Various clubs are there where we can arrange webinars also. We can arrange a limited get together also, as Dr. S.K. Agrawal is already doing for society. We can promote our pathies by home remedies minimum to general society. Government, we should request government through Pragyan International University to start our Ayush medicines here in West Bengal also, for quarantine and for isolated persons. Both. If
Yes.
government is allowing us to practice there, it will be much more beneficial for the society.
Many few people will have to go to the hospitals and all that at that stage.
In our West Bengal, sir, I am sorry to say, one straightforward problem is there. For Ayurveda, one person is sitting on 10 top posts, 10 top designation hold, one person holds. So 12 experts should be there to convince our chief minister to start this ayurveda. Otherwise, one person cannot explain and one
Certainly,
person
certainly.
cannot explain.
It's,
So
we need to join hands with the other people to
yes,
work together. If single person is sitting under the, he can be biased or he can be having a, paucity of time that he will not be able to see the things as it should have been. And
right,
it,
sir.
ultimately people would suffer
And we can make
because of this.
charity groups
Yes,
also.
very good.
We can make
Sure,
charity groups
definitely.
also to distribute our homeopathic, Ayurvedic, Unani, all medicines. What the choice will be of patient, which medicine he want to take. But we
Yes,
will distribute uh, through small NGOs. Through
yes.
small NGOs, we can arrange.
In that particular context, I would like to tell that in 1999, I started that Om Vidya Institute of Homeopathy and Allied Medical Sciences. That was the first ever center which has all the system under one roof. Like it had allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda, acupuncture, even Reiki and yoga. Everything was there. We used to hold camps and we used to sit together and see what the patient requires. And without any hesitation, I know that my limitation is up to this particular place. It is an acute condition. For the timing, he might require an allopathy. I should not hesitate and have any problem. And the moment, he is from there, that we can treat it and cure it for permanently. We have treated number of cases, of arthritis along with acupuncture, homeopathy and acupuncture. So it did wonderful results. So integration is a point where we can really work it out. And if the systems, all systems of doctors are there, they can put their mind together for the betterment of the society and betterment of the patient, because patient does not know what is going to be right for him. And in allopathy, if the patient has been taking treatment, he's taking treatment on and on, on and on, on and on, without getting cured repeatedly. So such kind of thing can be by sitting all together. Yes, Dr. Mujib.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Very right, sir.
Yes, Dr. Mujibur Rahman. Hello. Are you able to hear me, Dr. Mujibur Rahman? Please.
Yes.
Yes,
सर
please.
मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था
जी.
कि हर पैथी जो है अपनी अपनी जगह पे अपनी अपनी अहमियत रखती है.
जी.
मैं चाह रहा था कि जिस तरीके से आयुर्वेद है, होम्योपैथ है, यूनानी है, एलोपैथ है, हर पैथी से हर पैथी के डॉक्टर को लेकर के उनको उनकी पैथी में ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए या उनकी पैथी में जो है अवेयरनेस करने के लिए अगर दिया जाए तो मेरे ख्याल से और ये बेहतर होगा, क्योंकि हर पैथी का अपना अपना एक लिमिटेशन है कि हम इससे आगे नहीं जा सकते, हम इससे इस बाउंड्री से आगे बढ़ के काम नहीं कर सकते. तो इसीलिए ये मेरा सजेशन है कि अगर हम लोग जो है आपस में अगर कोलैबोरेशन करके रखें, आपस में एक तालमेल रहे हमारा, और इस तालमेल के साथ साथ अगर हम इस पे काम करते तो ज्यादा बेहतर रहेगा.
डेफिनेटली.
जी सर. जी, ये मेरा एक ओपिनियन है, मशवरा है.
Very right. Thank you, doctor. Yes, Dr. Hussain.
Yes, Dr. Gupta. I agree with Dr. Pawan Sharma ji. What he just told, that in West Bengal, the ministry system is not proper. The same situation is Maharashtra also, and I think maybe in some other states. The ministry or department or Ayush department, there is no proper representation from the systems. For example, there is no proper representation appointed by the as a homeopath or Ayurveda or Unani. There is a one person holding the post for the whole state, and he is, even you will surprise, in Maharashtra there is only one Ayurveda officer who hold the position. Only just he is the licensing authority. He is the technical officer. He is the drug inspector. And there are thousands, you can just imagine thousands drug manufacturers in Ayurvedic manufacturers in Maharashtra. But there is no drug inspector, no representation from the homeopathy, Ayurveda or Unani. One person handling everything. Because actually the reason is, what I understand is the reason is there is a problem of misuse of the power or the law.
Absolutely. So this is,
Those are holding the seat. They are even not the doctor. First thing. If they are doctor, they want to stay and take the others' powers also. And for example, that's why in the Ayush department in Maharashtra, even in Central also, they are not giving the opportunity to represent that system for homeopathy, Unani especially. Ayush means the platform for Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, Siddha, yoga and other systems. But in fact, if you see last few years, there is they just doing to promote something, one system only. And they ignore homeopathy especially, Unani especially. I don't want to blame some particular the system, because it is not the fault of the system, but it is the fault of the department, the ministry. And yes, the people sitting at the post are wrong. We have to convey to the government, central government as well as the state government, this to be followed. There are rules. Okay, whom to appoint and what to do. If this will follow, we will benefit and we will promote our system. Otherwise, we just struggle, we just fight with the government and we will never come up. This is my suggestion to convey to the government.
Very rightly you have said, Dr. Hussain, because one person who's sitting, and as you said, he is not even a doctor. So you can understand the plight of the people over there, that what kind of a justice would do. And moreover, if one person has been burdened too much, I don't think he will be able to deliver the
how? Of course, yes.
So I think there should be representatives from each system, and having the work should be distributed accordingly so that they can look after. If one person is there, and so that would be very difficult. It cannot be. It cannot be judicial. And what we see in the practice, I'm sure even you must have also seen, there are a lot of allopathic doctors, friends of ours.
Yes.
Come and take treatment from us. They come and take treatment for their family members. Then there's no problem. But the moment some patient talks to them that
they misguide.
Then they misguide. So this is right. I'm not saying that all allopathic doctors are not like that.
But some of.
Majority of them are there. We have got very good allopathic doctor friends. Those who refer their patient when they say that allopathy is not helping them out, so you can try out this other system of medicine. But this fraternity from friend of ours, we need to create that kind of an understanding. It is not that it's not a business. We are not snatching anybody's business. Even if you refer a right person to a right patient, to a right doctor, I think you've done your job. And rather than lingering, your patient is not going to run away if I give him a right advice that you go to for the timing. For the timing, he'll go up to you and he'll come back to me because he knows that he's been referred to a right person at right time. So this kind of an approach we have to adopt. And if everyone, from all other systems of medicine, then all people think alike. I think that today we are talking about on Doctor's Day. It's a very noble profession. We are there for the service. So let the nobleness remain there instead of becoming only the commercial side of it and the negative side of it. So I think we'll request Dr. S.K. Agarwal to, I mean, put these points together, and we can, in case of need, we can, I mean, once
Sure. Yes.
again have a meeting or something like that, and
Sure.
we can jot them down and send a representation to the, I mean, Ayush Ministry or to the Ministry of Health, and
Sure.
because it's a high time that things should be done in
Yeah.
a proper way. आज
Right.
कोई भी उठ के वो किसी के बारे में, होम्योपैथी के बारे में कोई कुछ बोल देता, कभी कोई आयुर्वेदिक के बारे में बोल देता,
Yes.
बिना उसको, जिसको उसके बारे में नॉलेज भी नहीं है,
Yes.
and the people those who criticize this, they do not have got any knowledge of
Yeah.
that subject.
That's right.
But
right,
ये
right.
और दूसरी चीज ये कि आजकल क्योंकि जो मॉडर्न सिस्टम मेडिसिन या कन्वेंशनल सिस्टम मेडिसिन में उनको आयुष सिस्टम से थोड़ा सा खतरा लगता है. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम पर्सनल फीलिंग इज देयर दैट दे फील लिटिल, आई मीन, इनसिक्योर कि अगर उनकी बोलेगी तो, आई मीन, उनकी जो, आई मीन, बनी बनाई वो है, आई मीन,
Yes. Yes.
डोंट
बड़ी नई प्लेटफॉर्म है.
हाँ, डोंट टेक मी रॉन्ग, आई मीन, विद ड्यू रिगार्ड टू एवरीबॉडी, बट ये भी एक फैक्ट है, क्योंकि जो, आई मीन, इनकी मल्टी फार्मा इंडस्ट्रीज चल रही हैं, वो इन्हीं वजह से चल रही हैं. उनको वहां पे वो लगता है वो आगे नहीं आने देना चाहते. ऐसे टाइम पे वो पेड आर्टिकल्स छपते हैं. They've been journalists, those who've been writing against system because of their particular, I mean, they've been paid to write in this particular manner. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा, आई मीन, चैलेंज है हमारी आयुष, आई मीन, सिस्टम के लिए, that we should fight together and work in a right manner. Yes, we need to work, improve ourselves. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं. जहाँ पे हमारी अपनी कमियां हैं, हमें आपको दूर करनी चाहिए.
Yes.
जैसे मैंने बताया कि हमें हर काम को, हमें उसके लिए डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और, आई मीन, प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जहाँ के हम लोगों की थोड़ी सी कमियां हैं, क्योंकि वी आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस दैट काइंड ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स व्हेन दे आस्क. तो अगर हम उन चीजों को हम
Yes,
रखेंगे तो
yes,
शायद
right.
वी कैन डू इन अ मच बेटर
Yeah.
मैनर. बट साथ साथ अपनी चीजों में अपनी कमियों को दूर करते हुए हमें इकट्ठे मिलके अपने पूरे सिस्टम के लिए, आई थिंक वी मस्ट फाइट, and we must not fight, I would not say, but we need to put our point forward so that they should be able to give it, and not for the betterment of us, it is the betterment of the society. They are helping people, we are also helping
Yes.
people. So let the people be helped in a best possible manner. Why not? Why only one system? So Dr. Agarwal, this is what we thought of, and we've been talked about. So finally we want to have your words, what you want to say.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta, Dr. Pawan Sharma, Dr. Mujibur Rahman, and Dr. Ehsan Hussain. It was a wonderful discussion. Now I would like to request Dr. A.K. Gupta to make a comprehensive recommendation, maybe of 2 to 3 pages, consisting of all the recommendations that are given by different speakers. And we would like to send this document to all the speakers to get them signed, and with the signature of all the speakers, and with the officials of the university, we will be sending this document to the Ministry of Ayush for their perusal. Thank you so much once again,
Okay.
all the speakers, and I would like to request them all to be with us whenever we require your services. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Hari Om.
Very well.
Jazakallah.